to the Easy-Pay Lite 2014 tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add the Easy-Pay Lite 2014 database to the SQL Express 2014 server we configured in the previous tutorial. Okay, let's begin. First, locate the SQL Server Management Studio from your Start menu and run it. On the Connect to Server dialog box, check that the server type drop-down displays Database Engine. Then make sure that the server name and instance is exactly the same name we used during the SQL Express 2014 installation. In this case, we used SQL Express as our instance name. Be sure to include the name of the machine you are using and a / preceding the instance name. This only applies if there are other SQL instances running on the same machine. You can either use Windows Authentication or SQL Authentication, which requires a username and password which you may have configured during the SQL Express 2014 installation process. In this case we are going to use Windows Authentication. Ensure that the Authentication drop-down list reads Windows Authentication, then click Connect. Navigate to and expand the Databases folder on the Object Explorer pane on the left. Then, highlight and right-click on the Databases folder and select the Restore Database option on the pop-up menu that appears. On the Restore Database dialog, under the Source options, select the Device option, and click on the button with 3 dots at the far right. Then, on the Select Backup Devices dialog, click the Add button. On the Locate Backup File dialog, beside the file name text box, select the All Files option from the drop-down list to the far right that reads Backup Files. Then on the Backup File Location directory list on the left, locate the database folder that comes with the Easy-Pay Lite 2014 installation setup DVD and select it. Upon selecting it, you should see an Easy-Pay Lite 2014 database file that appears on the list on the right. Select it, and click OK. On the Restore Database dialog, click OK. Wait for the process to complete restoring the Easy-Pay Lite 2014 database. Once complete, you will receive a message dialog box acknowledging the successful restore operation. Click OK. And there you have it. Congratulations! You now have successfully added the Easy-Pay Lite 2014 database to the SQL Express 2014 server that we configured in the previous tutorial. See the next tutorial to learn how to add the ODBC data source for the Easy-Pay Lite 2014 database onto your SQL Express 2014 server. Karibu.